Updating your profile details on Phemex is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Phemex website or open the app and enter your login credentials. Make sure you have access to the email or phone number associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access profile settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select profile or account information. In the settings menu, look for an option labeled profile or account information. Click on this to access your current profile details. Step 4. Edit your details. You will see fields for your personal information such as your name, email, and phone number. Click on the Edit button next to the details you want to update and enter the new information. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your updates. By following these steps, you can easily keep your profile information on Phemex up to date. Regularly checking your details ensures a smooth experience on the platform.